Hey guys, this is Linton, and this is my third video today because my little brother wanted to do a video with me, and his name is Logan. He set up this whole obstacle course by himself because he wanted to do a video with me. There's some over there too. We're gonna use our trampoline, so yeah. And it's really cool, and so yeah, I'm gonna do a really fast run through because it's getting dark. So these are our two small guns that I showed in the last video, the Nerf Jolt and the Nerf Big Shock. And we come over here. Oh yeah, and then you have to shoot the bottle down, and then the camera person, our mom, is gonna set it back up, and then the other person has to shoot it. And then when you shoot it down, you have to come over here, pick a gun, and then you have to walk across the balance beam, shooting the gun. So say my brother shot it farther than me, then I would have to shoot it farther than where his bullet is, and then it's like that. And then we run over here. He said we have to hide these over here. And then jump on the trampoline, and if he can show you this, we're gonna have to shoot the target as close as you can get. After about 3 bullets, you have to jump down, and then army crawl under here. And then you have to get our little plastic gun and then shoot it, as you can hear that. And then you get over here, jump on the trampoline, and then do a flip. You can't land one successfully yet, but I can, so I'm gonna do that, okay? So let's get started. And like I said, I'm doing this fast because it's about to be really dark. All right, pick your gun. Okay. Ready, set, go. If we use all of our bullets, then we have to go anyway. Got it! Oh, go! I'm gonna switch over this one. Stop, man. How did my little brother get it first? Anyway. Okay. See if I can get it farther than his bullet. Yep, right farther. Alright. Turn. Not nearly as close. Man. Tie it up. You got this. Hard, remember? Yes, I hit it. If you use all of your bullets, you can tell. Oh my God. Got it. And I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.